Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. 48-hour, 100% free action taker bonus. This is a real bonus. This isn't just some PDF that you'll never open, okay? Like, join it to the 500 level, get no upgrade, okay? Still $500, ain't nothing to sniff at, 100% commissions, okay? But if you join the 1500 level and upgrade in the first 48-hour window, right, you get qualified at the $3,500 level. What does that mean? It means you can start for $1,500 plus the admin fee and start making $500, $1,500, or even $3,500 commissions from a $1,500 investment, okay? Plus the admin fee, okay? Which we just lowered recently, $200 per level, okay? How amazing is that? That you could make $500, $1,500, or $3,500 commissions. Okay, you join the $3,500 level, get qualified at the $5,000 level. So then you could make $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 commissions. Yes, you get 100% or more of the pie, okay? All the money, okay? Over and over and over again, multiple times. Can you imagine that? That's life-changing money, okay? And the $100,000 diamond level bonus is the Bitcoin Boss Roundtable. Get access to Justin Temple's personal day trading chat and daily market analysis and copy trades right when Justin makes market moves. Okay, this is why you want to stay till the end so you do not miss anything important and how you could start making $500, $1,500, $3,500, or even $5,000 commissions. So stay to the end if you're affiliate marketing, network marketing, digital marketing, or you just want to make you're looking for a side hustle to quit your day job or whatever your goal is, okay? Help support your family, pay an extra bill, a car note, something like that. You want to stay till the end of this video, okay? So how am I doing this, okay? The core of everything is the blog, okay? And I'm going to show you ranking proof in this video, okay? And more, okay? How I can get rankings like this, right? When I search for this, you can see it's incognito, okay? I'm going to hit reload. Well, yeah, reload. Boom. 1, 2, 3. There's short videos. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 assets on the first page of Google. Okay, I'll show you YouTube later. And click on one of these links so you can see it's me. But again, stay to the end of this video. You do not want to miss anything, okay? High Ticket Lifestyle Back Office Tour, the architecture of a pure profit loop. Okay, why am I reading this article? You ask yourself, okay? That doesn't look very impressive. But again, in 2026, this is a slept-on strategy, okay? I'm blogging, okay? But if the search engines, the AI are watching what you type and what you post, they're also listening, okay? So why would I take an asset and do it multiple times? Work smart, not hard. Work smart, not hard, okay? Why would you want to get rankings like this on Google? Very hard to do. But this is the key. And it's the elite stuff we teach. We're not scared to teach you what actually works, okay? We know what works. We're not scared to teach you. Your success is our success, okay? We're going to teach you the elite stuff you need to do to dominate this field, okay? How to get elite Google and YouTube rankings, okay? How to day trade your money and make more money, okay? From a one-time commission. So you take all the piece of the pie, make a $3,500 commission, and put that into an account, okay, big Coinbase account, and make money over and over and over again, okay? Buy traffic over and over again, okay? From one-time strike, 100% or more commission, okay? Now, the High Ticket Lifestyle Backoffice Tour, the architecture of a pure profit loop, okay? Watch to the end. I'm going to include some elite stuff, okay, like rankings on YouTube. Why their High Ticket Lifestyle Back Office Tour matters for serious operators. Most people walk into an affiliate marketing back office and immediately fall into the trap of busy work. They see a dashboard filled with hundreds of training videos, bloated PDFs, and endless value-add fluff. This is a digital pacifier. It keeps you occupied while your income flatlines. This is not a business architecture. It is a cage. If you're not keeping the whole check, you are not an owner. You're merely a middleman funding someone else's wealth. I'm just a messenger. Stop moving slow. Start moving with intent. A high-ticket lifestyle back-office tour is a guided explanation of the system infrastructure used to facilitate high-value, 100% commission affiliate marketing transactions. Think of the high-ticket lifestyle as your personal vault, where you keep 100% of every strike. The system is designed to help you understand how 100% commission extraction works inside a high-ticket funnel. Now, the funnel looks like this, okay? Okay, you put your first name, your best email, and optionally, you put your phone number, okay? But that's part of the system. We'll call your people, the owner will call your people back. You listen to a 3-minute call, and the marketer will help get your sales done for you, okay? They call your people back, okay? They call the number, okay? Brand new 100% commission system. Free. Can I show you how to start making 500, 1500, 3500, and even 5000 using this one simple page? There's my face, and you hit yes, show me. Okay. Then you get taken to a page like this. Okay. My video right here. We teach you how to do this. Okay. Very simply. And 48-hour upgrade bonus, which has already started, only for serious action takers who want to make big money now. It's counting down, right? Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn bigger 100% commissions. Yes, when you decide to take action before the timer runs out, you will be rewarded with the next level of qualification. Okay? Join the 500 level, get no upgrade. Join the 1500 level, get qualified at 3500. Join the 35, get qualified at 5000. I think I already covered this, so I'm going to move on. Okay? Never pick up the phone. 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Leverage our 100% free call center so you can start earning big. Call this number if you have questions, right? They'll ask you who referred you. If you're watching this video, it's John Solly or JJ Solly, okay? Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. Okay, the whole goal of the high-ticket lifestyle is to get paid on complete autopilot, creating your financial freedom while we do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. What? If you have questions, please call support and let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big-ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? Okay? And this is what you get, the products you actually get in each system, right? And 100%, you choose how you get paid, okay? How amazing is that? 100% or bigger commissions. Okay? Again, join the silver level and get upgraded to gold level, and you'll be qualified to earn up to $3,500 commissions, right? And this is what you get training for, right? Yes, join silver. Again, you choose how you get paid, including Zelle straight to your bank account. But if you want to be paid in Bitcoin, you can be paid in Bitcoin. I have multiple different ways to be paid. And the 3,500 gold gets you an upgrade to the $5,000 commissions, okay? Take action. You're an action taker, right? You're ready to make life-changing income, okay? Right? You're ready to retire from your job, or you want to be retiring on 40% of what is not enough now. Or do you want to be worse at it? You want to be replaced by AI, okay? It's happening left and right. In 2026, the first 3 months, I think in January, they had the most layoffs in to start a year since 2004 or 2009. Okay, it's really bad out there. Okay, even big elite people that help make the Avengers for Disney are firing massive amounts of people. Okay, like thousands of people. Okay, there's a multi-billion-dollar company. Okay, don't think it can't happen to you. It's happening. Okay. I take a lot of Backoffice tour is a guided examination of the system and infrastructure used to facilitate high-level 100% commission affiliate marketing transactions. Think of your high-ticket lifestyle as your personal vault, where you keep 100% of every strike. The system is designed to help you understand how 100% commission extraction works inside a high-ticket funnel. High-ticket lifestyle Backoffice tour, a real-life reason why systems matter. There's a moment in my life that permanently changed how I look at systems. My life was an accident. In that instant, everything stopped. The bills didn't stop. Life didn't stop. Responsibilities didn't stop. But my ability to grind, hustle, and figure it out later did. My wife got hit by a car 45 miles an hour, going over 45 miles an hour. She's just now getting out of the hospital. She's not able to walk. Okay? She's not able to, she's still in a wheelchair. She may never walk. Okay, this is real life. Real life hits, and real life hits hard, and it keeps kicking you. Okay, and kicking you and kicking you and kicking you. and it'll beat you down. This is from Rocky, some of it, if you let it, okay? But if you have systems, and if you have high-level elite stuff like this, they can pay you 100% commissions, not 10% or 20%, 100% commissions, and do the selling and telling and closing for you. Now you have something that can be life-changing, okay? That's when I realized something. You don't realize to the level of your ambition, you fall to the level, you fall to the level of your systems. If you don't have a simple duplicatable income-producing engine already running before life hits you, you're gambling with your future. That's why the high-ticket lifestyle exists. Not for hype, not for motivation, but for protection, for sovereignty, for stability when life blindsides you. This is a business. It's an ark you build for the stone, okay? Understanding the high-ticket lifestyle back office tour, what you're really looking at, okay? I'm going to show you something real quick, and this is going to be a two-parter, okay? So I'm going to show you something. I showed you the Google rankings. I'm going to refresh real quick so you see this is real. And you see this is incognito, okay? Boom, boom, boom. Shorts too. Boom. Instagram, okay? Another YouTube video. Multiple things for JJ Solly, right? Now we're going to go to YouTube, okay? There's a video from 7 days ago. There's a video from 1 day ago, okay? There's another video that premieres tomorrow, okay? I may not premiere tomorrow. I may premiere the next day, but yeah. It's ranking too, okay? Another one premiering 4 days from now, okay? Multiple assets. And here's another a playlist, okay? Updated today. And another video, right, 12 days ago. Multiple assets, okay? On YouTube and on Google. Elite training. We're not scared, again, we're not scared to teach you what actually works and show you how to make your money work for you over and over and over again. This is part of what we teach you, okay? In this elite training, right? And again, you can call the sizzle line. Let me if I get that real quick. Let me see if I can get that. I think I messed it. Okay, 1-800-771-0769. 1-800-771-0769 and 0769. And when they ask for who you refer to, if you're watching this video or I referred you, say John Solly or JJ Solly, and they'll answer any questions and hook you up and get you started, okay? Remember that 48-hour bonus is super powerful, because let's say you make a $5,000 sale, okay, and you're only qualified to the $500 level. You don't get you get 500, but you're passing up the rest to your sponsor, like somebody like me, okay? $500 is nice, okay? Don't get it twisted. But wouldn't you rather get $3,500 or $5,000? Okay, if you join at the $1,500 level and you get that 40-hour bonus, that's $3,500 of the $5,000. Make that money, okay? Okay, understand the high-ticket lifestyle back office tour, what you're really looking at. The sovereign engine operates on a frequency the average affiliate market cannot comprehend. When you step into the high-ticket lifestyle, the back office is not a library of entertainment. It's a precision extraction tool. The pure profit loop is built on one core mandate, direct extraction. In traditional models, you grind through thousands of leads for pennies while the owner takes 90%. That is a wage. It's a trap. In this system, we focus on the high-ticket level strike. Here's the part nobody will ever tells you. This is the moment the machine filters out the casual browsers from the operators. You're here to abstract, not to participate in popularity contests. Operators don't chase information. Operators extract incomes. And this is pretty much where I'm going to end this video, okay? And start part 2, okay? But if you have any questions, okay, this is where you go, okay? You put your name, your email, and your number, okay? And you call this number. Let's see if I can find it again. 1-800-771-0769. They answer questions, okay? You listen to the pre-recorded 3-minute message, and then you ask the question. They'll call you back, and you ask the question. Leave your number. This is JJ Solly, aka John Solly, aka your friendly neighborhood Solly man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you next one. Peace.